Part 2, Navigating the MS Excel Feedback Template. Welcome to Part 2 of our guide on using the Microsoft Excel Feedback Template. In Part 1, we introduced the description sheet. Here, we will review the other tabs used for data verification. 1. Advocacy tab. Navigate to the Advocacy tab. Key headers include number, form.name of community focal person met, form.date agreed on for chest camp outreach, started_time, phone date geo unique ID. Duplicate status shows if the entry is a valid duplicate. Is this CommCare entry written in your advocacy exercise notebook? If you confirm that an entry is recorded in your hardcopy advocacy exercise notebook, then use this column to mark yes in the respective cell in your phone here. If a respective entry does not exist in your hardcopy advocacy exercise notebook, then mark no in the respective cell in your phone here. 2. Screening Form tab. Navigate to the Screening Form tab. Key headers include number, form.unique ID number, form presumptive TB, form probable COPD, form probable CAP, form probable asthma. Implementation status or started_time. Name age sex LGA unique ID. Duplicate status. Check, is this CommCare entry written in your integrated TB and other diseases screening register? Use this column with a black header to know the outcome of cross-checking your entries against your hardcopy screening register. Mark accordingly. If you confirm that an entry is recorded in your hardcopy screening register, then use this column to mark yes in the respective cell in your phone here. If a respective entry does not exist in your hardcopy screening register, then mark no in the respective cell in your phone here. 3. Screen Cases tab. Navigate to the Screen Cases tab. Key headers include number, health facility name, unique ID number, type of COPD patient, TB diagnosis result, CAP diagnosis result, COPD confirmatory result, implementation status, name age sex LGA unique ID, duplicate status. Check, confirms if the entry is recorded in the NTBLCP presumptive TB register. As you did in previous tabs, confirm each entry against the hardcopy NTBLCP presumptive TB register and mark yes or no in the respective cell in your phone here. Use this column with a black header to know the outcome of cross-checking your entries against the hardcopy NTBLCP presumptive TB register. Mark accordingly. If you confirm that an entry is recorded in the hardcopy NTBLCP presumptive TB register, then use this column to mark yes in the respective cell in your phone here. If a respective entry does not exist in the hardcopy NTBLCP presumptive TB register, then mark no in the respective cell in your phone here. 4. Evaluation Form tab. You should also navigate to the Evaluation Form tab. And do likewise, cross-checking entries and noting in the black header column. You should also explore the remaining tabs, which are Disease Management, Consolidate, Duplicates Bank, Advo Duplica Bank, and Sample Collect Form. For each of the other tabs, navigate and do likewise, cross-checking entries in the mentioned registers, and noting the outcome of your inspection in the black header column respectively, except for Consolidate tab, Duplicates Bank tab, and Advo Duplica Bank tab. You will see the purpose of this sheet in the description tab. This will make you familiar with the various information in these other sheets. Regular use of the MS Excel feedback template will help improve the quality and consistency of your data. 5. Sharing and saving. Use the share icon to send your completed file to HQ. When you are done, use the save icon to store the file on your device. Final task. All general health workers, CHWs, and screening officers must complete a Google form after watching this video series. The link is provided in the TBRW11 WhatsApp chat room.